Hey friends, so what we'll do, we'll continue the Vietnam destination training. We have understand the basic imagination of Vietnam. So basically there are three major cities in Vietnam. Northern part, the city's name is Hanoi. At the central part, the city's name is Da Nang. And towards the southern of the country, there is a city, the capital of the city located named as Ho Chi Minh, on the name of Uncle Ho Chi Minh. So basically, the city is also known as Saigon City. The airport code is SGN. For the Da Nang, airport code is DAD, and for the Hanoi, airport code is HAN. We discussed Hanoi in detail. What are the accessibility options to arrive at Hanoi? What are the accommodation options? What are the attractions at Hanoi? All the tours like the Hanoi City tour, the Ninh Day tour, the Halong Bay Cruise Day tour, and the Halong Bay Cruise 1 night 2 day tour. We covered all the major parts of the Hanoi city. We left with one part, that is Sapa. Sapa is also known as Switzerland of East. So Sapa is a hill station just like Mount Jungfrau. They have built a very good amusement park above the hill, so you can indulge in lot of mountain adventure activities like skiing and lot of other mountain activities. So we can say cable car ride is there, fancy pan park is there, fancy pan amusement park is there. So just like Titlis Park, you can get in indulge with all the adventure activities as Sapa. So Sapa has 1 night 2 day tour from Hanoi. It also covers Cat Cat village, the historical village, the cultural village where you have your overnight stay. So after covering all the Hanoi's attraction, we directly jump to the Da Nang. So Da Nang has two major activities, two major tours operating from Da Nang. One of them is Coconut Forest, combining it with Hoi An ancient town, along with lantern show, boat ride, and dinner is included. Apart from that, one more tour from Da Nang that is operated is Bana Hills Day Tour. Bana Hills Day Tour includes your cable car ride, two-way cable car ride. It includes your Golden Hand Bridge. It includes your French Village. Also, we go to the Sun World theme park above the Bana Hills. So these are the two major tours and activities that are operated from Da Nang. Coming to Ho Chi Minh, Ho Chi Minh has a very good shopping option. If you are looking for some kind of nightlife, food and nightlife, shopping and leisure, Ho Chi Minh is a place to go. Especially Ben Than Market in Ho Chi Minh District 1 is a place where you can go and have lot of souvenir shopping, lot of things to shop for your families in India. Apart from that, a tour that is operated from Ho Chi Minh is Mekong Delta and Kuchi Tunnel. So just like Bay of Bengal has a delta named as Sundarban Delta, where all the rivers are coming and merging at a point before going to the ocean. So the place is known as Delta because the water level is pretty high there. So just imagine if the water level is pretty high and the area is delta, there would be very small islands on the area, and the water due to the higher water, the cultivation of rice crops are very much of a feasible option there. So just like West Bengal is a producer of rice, Vietnam is also a great producer of rice. Their staple food comes and becomes as a rice. So we'll go for the Mekong Delta tour. We'll cover the small island. We'll go for the boat ride. We'll cover the small cultural attraction. The people living on the small island since 500-600 years, maintaining the historical ancient culture. We'll explore some cultural exploration. We'll go and indulge in some cultural exploration. After the Mekong Delta, we'll go to the Kuchi Tunnel tour. So during the bombardment of US, when United States starting bombarding the Vietnam in order to kill the Japanese army, what Vietnamese did, they built underground caves of 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers, and a cave has 2 to 3 entries. And if you don't know the route, and if you take a wrong entry, it's a trap. You are going to die. If you only know the route and you take the right entry, you will be reaching the right point of destination, or else it's a trap, you will be killed. So that was a architectural beauty, a mental architectural beauty for war memorials. So that today, in today's day, that comes under UNESCO World Heritage Site. I'll clean up my camera a bit. Hope I'm very much clear. So these are the two major attractions that we cover at Ho Chi Minh. One of them is Mekong Delta, one of them is Cu Chi Tunnel. Apart from these three major cities, what if you are planning to Vietnam and you are planning Hanoi plus Da Nang plus Ho Chi Minh? So either you can take the entry from Hanoi, you can take a domestic flight to Da Nang, then again a domestic flight to Ho Chi Minh, and again exit from Ho Chi Minh, or else you can do the vice versa. You can either take the entry from Ho Chi Minh, a domestic flight to Da Nang, then again a domestic flight to Hanoi, covering the Halong Bay cruise, and again taking a flight back to India. There is one more island attraction in Vietnam that is named as Phu Quoc Island. So Phu Quoc Island is getting very renowned and has some of its spectacular attractions located. Some of the spectacular attractions located are Win Wonders amusement theme park. Win Wonders is getting very famous. The amusement park has lot of thrilling rides to offer. Apart from this, there is Win Wonders Safari. Winpearl Safari. Basically, Winpearl is a hospitality management company in Vietnam. So it has lot of properties and lot of entertainment attractions built with the name of this hospitality company. So Win Wonders theme park is maintained and is like incorporated by Win Wonders Amusement Hospitality Company. So apart from that, we will also be covering Grand World. Grand World is known as Venice of the East. Just like the Murano and Burano Island, the same concept has been applied, and they have built a mini Venice in Phu Quoc that is named as Grand World. After covering in single day, we can cover Win Amusement Theme Park, Winpearl Safari, and Grand World. So, and again individually, separately, one day we can cover the Hon Thom Island. Hon Thom Island includes your longest cable car ride above the water. The Bana Hills cable car ride is the longest cable car ride above the mountains, we can say, above the hilly area, above the ground. And this Phu Quoc cable car ride is the longest cable car ride above the water, we can say. So taking a cable car ride, we'll reach Hon Thom Island. Hon Thom Island has Aquatopia water park located at the island, Sun World theme park located at the island, Kiss of the Sea bridge is located on the island. So there are a lot of attractions to explore on the island, lot of water activities like snorkeling, boarding, surfing, kayaking, transparent pedal boating. Lot of these water activities are there to get in indulge it at Phu Quoc whenever we are going for Hon Thom Island. One day separately we can cover the southern part of the Phu Quoc along with Starfish Beach. This beach is getting very famous. If you have time, you are looking for more exploration of Phu Quoc, one day separately you can cover the north part of Phu Quoc, North Phu Quoc tour on SIC or on private. SIC and private we discussed. SIC is sharing in coach, seat in coach. Basically, it's a sharing transportation for all the tours, and for the private transportation, we refer it as private transportation. So if you are a group of 5 adults, 6 adults, 7 adults, then private transportation is a cost effective and efficient option. And if in case you are a couple, a 2 adult, 3 adult, 4 adult group, then in that case you can go for the sharing transportation, seat in coach. That is going to be a cost effective and the full experience for you, because you get to meet lot of other travelers traveling from different countries whenever you are going on sharing transportation. So in case you don't have your own group to the trip, in case you are looking for very great companionship, you can go with sharing transportation. Or else if you have your companionship, just go with the private transportation. There is a difference in cost, but simultaneously we need to look upon what is the experience we are planning for. So this is all about Phu Quoc. So some of the people people are also planning only Phuket nowadays. So Phuket basically only for Phuket, what you can do, you can arrive at Phuket and you can just apply for the on arrival visa. This is only applicable for Phuket, and in case you are not entering any of the cities in the main island of Vietnam and you are only just traveling to Phuket, a small island towards the southwest of Vietnam, you are only traveling to Phuket island and coming back to India, you can either go with visa on arrival. So Phuket is a very beautiful destination, has lot of beautiful beach resorts in it. Some of the beautiful properties like Win Holidays, Fiesta is there. These are the properties that makes Phuket a very grand destination, and the best part is all of these comes under a very good price. So the pricing that makes it a very renowned destination between Indian families, Indian couples, Indian travelers. So that's why Phuket is getting pretty renowned. Delhi has just announced some direct flights from Delhi to Phuket. So this will obviously boost the tourism from India to Phuket. So that's all about Vietnam. So in case after watching all the videos you have all the doubts, or you have all any of the doubt, or you are planning for a vacation, you can directly get in connect with me. My contact number is 7699645302, and the travel company that I run is the name is MYT Escape, Map Your Trail. The website is mapyourtrail.com, or you can also visit www.myt.travel. So that's all for today. Jai Shri Ram. We'll again meet with new content, new video, and new day. Thank you so much.